Industrial automation.
In the previous lesson we are discussed how to calibrate differential pressure transmitter with the hand pump. You can find the link to this video in the description. If you haven't already done so, you might want to review of our other videos. How to calibrate differential pressure transmitter. You can find the links to these videos in the description. So if you enjoy this video as much as we enjoyed making it, click the like button, subscribe and click the bell and you'll receive notifications of new videos. Okay, let's start the video. Remember, we ignored the square root extractor when we calibrated the transmitter. So in this lesson we are going to discuss how to correctly and safely calibrate differential pressure transmitter with the square root extractor. Let's connect the square root extractor to the output of the transmitter and see what happens. We now have a linear and directly proportional relationship between the flow rate and the current output of the square root extractor. Perfect. That's exactly what our PLC or DCS needs to see. The math is a bit complicated, but let's try an example. When we have a 50% flow rate of 25 gallons per minute or 94 liter per minute, the square root extractor output is 12 milliamps, or 50% as well. But the flow transmitter output is 8 milliamps or 25%. How do we convert 8 milliamps to 12 milliamps? Very simply, the square root extractor will ensure that its output is the square root of its input. The square root of 25% is 50%. Try the math on a calculator. So, with a flow transmitter output current of 8 milliamps, the square root extractor will produce an output current of 12 milliamps. Let's review what we've discussed. Calibrating the transmitter is completed by using values found in a calibration table or chart kept on-site. The zero and span adjustments are used to obtain a specific current output range for a 0% and a 100% differential pressure input. After calibration, a transmitter is returned to service by opening the equalizing valve first, then opening the high pressure block valve second, followed by closing the equalization valve, and finally opening the low pressure block valve.